Hello everyone, this is your girl Mrs. Rita F. Brewer for you. I hope everyone is doing well. Guys, I miss you guys so much. I've not uploaded a lot of cooking recently. I've not because I'm doing DIY and I'm growing my hair. So guys, in this video, if you are new, I want to tell you thank you for liking my page and subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge. You don't pay nothing. Just support me in the name of Jesus. So guys, if you are old too, I want to say thank you very much for not unfollowing me, but keep following me and like, comment and share. Guys, I bring you guys today a good news. But before we go in, let's go to the intro. Alright guys, today in my kitchen, Rita's kitchen, DIY, making my own dish for you to learn. Today cooking is gonna be spaghetti with mince. Spaghetti with mince. My husband loves this food so much. So I'm ready to prepare another one because the first one I did was finished and I forget to upload a video. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients and I'm gonna stop talking. Don't forget to click that button and subscribe to the channel. God bless you as you do. Let's get to the video and let's cook. Ingredients. So guys, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 eggs. I have my spaghetti. I have my mince. I have my blend ginger. I have my red onion, 1 red onion, and then 1 white onion. I have my ginger. I have peeled, so I'm using the paste one, and I'm using the fresh one because my husband likes the taste. And this is garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 garlic. This is my salt. It's not ginger, guys. It's salt, okay? And this is my Vegeta, okay? And also, I have my knife and I have my bowl. So I've already started cooking. I've already started boiling the water, and I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil inside the water, and I'm gonna put 1/4 spoon of salt so the spaghetti doesn't get sticky under the pot. So let's do it. I'll put 1 more. And my salt. A little bit more. And I'm gonna put in my spaghetti. Guys, I'm using different type of spaghetti. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it to mix it just to get more flavor. So guys, this is just a suggestion. You can use it or not. Now I'm gonna do my blend. So let's go. Now I'm cutting my onion. I'm gonna use the red to fry, and then I'm gonna put the white inside after the meat is cooked. So this is what I'm doing. All right. Now I'm going ahead to put the ginger, garlic, and some of the red and the white onion in the blender. Put my rosemary, put in my Vegeta, and then put in my small black pepper, and then I blend it up with a little bit of water. So remember, in the blender, I have my garlic, my onion, my ginger, and then the blend ginger that I show you in the bottle. Okay, that's what I have in here. So here you go. So that's all. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water and I'm gonna blend it all together. So my next ingredients will be bay leaves. I'm gonna put 2 bay leaves in the spaghetti. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? My brother hungry? Sky is hungry. Sky is hungry. Sky is hungry. Sky is hungry. So guys, this is the end of my cooking spaghetti with mince. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll come back again and teach a new one. This is your girl, Mrs. Rita F. Brewer. Please subscribe. I'm gonna serve my husband. Sorry, I can't let you see how he eats. Ciao, Bella. I love you guys. Subscribe.